Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate broker with Intero Real Estate Services.
Hi, I'm Andy Tan with Terrace Real Estate Services.
And we're super excited about our brand new listing here in the Bay Area. Andy, I gotta ask you, man, what do you think about this listing?
You know what I really love about this listing, Eddie, is the location.
Yeah.
We're just minutes away from Tesla.
Yeah.
Really near the BART station.
Right.
So it's really convenient and has great schools.
Absolutely, and you're not to mention you're also close to all the major companies in the Bay Area like Google, Facebook, Apple, LinkedIn. You know, you're in the heart of Silicon Valley here, guys. And I cannot wait to show you this property. Come on in, let's take a tour.
这里是 Oberoi 房屋销售团队，大家好，我们在此向您隆重推出一套新上市的精品房屋。该屋坐落于 Fremont 城市最佳区域，周边有优秀的学校，距离硅谷各大知名公司也很近，譬如特斯拉、脸书、谷歌和苹果公司等等。该屋装修精美，明亮宽敞，是家庭及投资者的最佳选择。欢迎来参观我们的开放屋，我们期待与您见面。
Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, newly built, nicely upgraded. And you know what I like about this, Andy? In Fremont, there aren't that many brand new homes to begin with, and inventory levels are so low. So this is an ideal property if you're looking for that newer look, and if you're looking for that community to raise a family in or send your kids to the best schools, this property is it.
Yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us anytime.
And you know what? We're looking forward to seeing you at our open house one of these days. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.